Gia Dív, Aleg, Gia Ditch, Emmet Mulholland, Jimmer Tatu, August Patricia McGarty as Conde Monaghan, Jas Buladat Patricia, August Siobhan O'Neill, ta Siobhan O'Neill Bio, Lynn, August Bruno. Bruno says he's waiting on us. Well, we were waiting on us too for a while, Bruno, so thanks for bearing in with us. August Shin Emer, August Jada Emer, yes, Jimmer Ta, Gallant her fad. Well, stop telling lies, would you? So we're gonna now. That was a set of tunes we played there. It was the first one was composed by Billy McComiskey, an accordion player from I think it's Philadelphia or Boston somewhere. It's on the east coast of America anyway, and he composed the first tune, and then the second tune was composed by Liz Carroll, and that was called Rose and Kathleen's Burn Dance. So thanks everybody for tuning in tonight. We're delighted to be here at Ann and we're delighted to take the instruments out again. The fiddle had seized there for a while, but we got to drop oil on her and she's going again. So we're going to now try a wee tune, and it's called Planksties to Callan. And this tune is composed by a class musician called Neil, I was about to say Neil Lennon, Neil Martin. Got that one almost horrifically wrong. Neil Martin. And he composed this tune, and it's interesting story behind this tune is that there's a flute player who's also an astronaut out in America. She works for NASA, and she's called Maddie Coleman. And she's very interested in the music that Neil Martin has composed. So she actually used to take her flute with her out to the International Space Station, and this was one of the tunes that she used to play. So I suppose it's just something different. So we'll give it a go.
Gur mai hugah agus gur mai hugah fas. It's Chucklin and Ocht. We're really delighted to be here. Thanks everyone for listening and tuning in. It's always nice to, in these times, I suppose, perform again, even if we are here and we can see all your lovely comments and that you are all joining in. So we feel like you are all here with us, which is lovely. We're going to continue now with a set of jigs, and the set of jigs we learnt the first one from the playing of Brian Finnegan. I'm sure you are all aware of Brian Finnegan and his brilliant music and compositions. So the first one is called Three Little Steps, and then we're going to follow on with a tune that we learnt from the playing of a great Scottish fiddle player and legend, Chris Stout. And we've been fortunate enough to meet Chris, and his music's really inspiring for us, and it's called Inksters. So we hope you enjoy these lively jigs.
And hello to who we got there? Mary Mulholland from Mahrafelt. Hello, Mary, great to see you. And Kieran Kelly from Cookstown. And hello to Rachel McGarty. She says, "Lovely you pair, X." Thank you, Rachel. And Donna Cassidy. Looking forward to the show. Thank you, Donnie. And then Catch Ni Hin. Lovely to see you. And Neil Comer, Mary McCabe. Thanks everybody for tuning in.
My eyesight's just not as good as Eugene, so I can't read the names as easily.
Yeah.
Right, off we go. I'm going to play a tune called Tour du Delau. I'm sure you all are familiar with this tune, or give me your hand, Imerla. So it was composed by a famed harper from this area, actually, from our own county, in the 17th century, Rory Dal O'Cahan. And I suppose we're particularly lucky that we, as harp players, have a great corpus of material and manuscripts that we can work from and find these beautiful old tunes that were composed for various persons in both Ireland and Scotland as early as the 1600s and 1700s. So it's I really enjoy just taking these tunes and trying to breathe some life into them and think back of when they were composed and how they might be relevant now to us today. So I hope you enjoyed this tune anyway, and thanks for listening again.
So that's us coming towards the end of our set. We're being followed very shortly now by the Muddlers Club. I'm sure you have all heard them. Well, all I can say is they were downstairs turning into a feed of pizza like I've never seen before, so they should be able to go for hours now. It was me and Lauren pulled up at the car park, and the boys in the Muddlers Club were standing outside, and they were wild disappointed looking. They were very disappointed looking, and we thought we'd done something wrong, but it was just because we weren't the pizza people. So, before we finish up, I'd just like to say hello to Q McGoldrick, and Michael Coney, and Anne Salmon there from Cleland. Sean O'Neill says good stuff. Millie tuned in too. She's got a cat called Millie who's terrible interested in traditional music. And James McCaffrey says hello too. So, an piece of Kjol Shaw, Yanni Midjanish, na Kupla Rila na, and Kid Kyan na Paddy Canny's toast. Shilum gur piece of Kjol a chum Paddy Canny. August, Ineation, Johnny Wood Real Ella, and Tanya Mata Air na Bill Hearts. August, Mila Buhis, Le Ann Curra, August Dermot Mulholland, as Gockrod, August as an Curru, Levain Sean out.
Since I my true love have seen, he said. Since I my true love have seen. Then I'll not sit on the grass, she said, nor be a love of vain. For I hear you love a conqueror, and your heart's no longer mine, she said, and your heart's no longer mine. Oh, but I will climb a high, high tree, and I'll rob a wild bird's nest, and back I'll bring what I find there to the arms that I love the best, she said, to the arms that I love the best.
Can't stop thinking, it pulls those heartstrings and can't help feeling it needs some healing. Whoa. He had a roving eye, he found to his surprise. She had a roving heart, but he knew that right from the start, of course. He had a roving eye, he found to his surprise. She had a roving heart, but he knew that right from the start, of course. Can't stop thinking, it pulls those heartstrings and can't help feeling it needs
When first to this country a stranger I came, I placed my affection on a maid that was young. She being young and tender, her waist small and slender, kind nature had formed her for my overthrow. On the banks of the Bann, where I first beheld her, she appeared like fair Juno, or the Gracian queen. Her eyes shone like diamonds, her hair softly twining, her cheeks bloomed like roses, or blood drops in snow. 'Twas her cruel parents that first caused our variance, all because I was poor and of a low degree. But I'll do my endeavour to gain my love's favour, although she is come from a rich family. My name is Delaney, a name that won't shame me, and if I had saved money, I'd have plenty in store. But drinking and courting, night rambling and sporting, the cause of my ruin and absence from home. Had I all the money that's in the West Indies, or had I the gold of the African shores, I would spend it on perils and you, my brown girl, for there's no other love on this earth I adore.
How you doing, folks? Thanks so much to Eugene and Lauren. They're claiming that they're not in lockdown together, but I seriously doubt they're telling the truth. As for us, we've hardly seen each other. It's been nice to get a break from you lads, like, but it's nice to see you again too. But we're going to beat through a bit of a set, folks. We'll keep an eye out for any requests, and if we see any that we can have a go at, we might be ropey, but we'll give them a go. In the meantime, though, we'll get Joe to fire out a few tunes. Thank you, Slackneil. Thanks very much. Folks, it's nice for you to see us, I suppose, but we'll keep an eye on the comments. We're going to keep it folky for the first, I guess, 3 or 4 songs, then we might mix it up a wee bit after that. We'll do another wee old folk Irish song, bit of Rocky Road. In the merry month of June, from me home I started, left the girls a tune. Nearly broken hearted, saluted father dear. Kissed me darling mother, drank a pint of beer. My grief and tears are smothered, then up to reap the horn. Even I was born, got a staff like thorn to banish ghosts and goblins. A brand new pair of brogues, round all the bogs, frightening all the dogs. On the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for la-di-da.
So weary, started biking, like my spare was right, and there he took a drop of beer. Give me hands from shaking, lots of patties here. When every come for drinking to see the lasses smile, that went all the while. I'm a curious now, set your heart a bubble and ask I was higher, which I required, till I was almost tired. On the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for la-di-da.
City, then I took a stroll. All the fun, the quality, bolted at the stove. In that neat locality, something crossed my mind. When I looked behind, no more could I find. Upon my steps, a wobbling and fired after the road. For my conic road wasn't much in vogue. On the rocky road, Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for la-di-da.
Just as the ship was sailing, the captain at me roared, said that no room had he when I jumped on board. Captain found from Paddy, found a bomb, legs, make some party breaks, dance some party jigs, go on around the bubbling went up to Holyhead, with myself well dead, better board instead. On the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for la-di-da.
Well, the boys have been through, when we safely landed, call myself through. I could no longer stand it, love began to war. Temper right, lose no peril there inside. They began to abuse me around me so, since I shall nearly I let fly. Going more to buy and so I was hobbling with a loud parade, turning the rain, cleared the way for the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for la-di-da.
Rocky Road. Alright, we'll slow it down this time. Do another wee folk one though. We'll do a wee John Spillane song. Get Nell to take the lead for this one.
There's a John Spillane song called Passage West. I met my love in Passage West. The sun was sinking down to rest. The river to the stars confessed 'twas the dark-haired woman I love best. We wandered down by the chapel square, and there was magic in the air. and Mother Nature gently pressed the burning river to her breast. I offered her a golden ring, my hand, my heart, and everything. I offered her a sweet love nest by the flowing banks of Passage West. Oh, love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Oh, love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? Oh, love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Oh, love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? We watch the ferry come and go. We watch the river ebb and flow. The tide breathe in, the tide breathe out. We watched the passage flowers grow. The ghostly forms of the hungry years in sad procession did appear, but hope and sorrow made their way for their passage west to America. Oh, love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Oh, love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? Oh, love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Oh, love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? The famine queen stood tall and proud. On either bank the people bowed. From Passage West came a Fenian yell: rule Britannia, rule in hell. The grass grows green on the other side, and mighty ships sail out the tide to far-flung harbours across the sea, far away from Passage, my love and me. Oh, love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Oh, love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? Oh, love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Oh, love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? I met my love in Passage West. The sun was sinking down to rest. The river to the stars confessed 'twas the dark-haired woman I loved best.
Hey, John Spallamon to the Passage West. We're going to keep Niall on duty, though. Thank you very much. We'll change it up. We'll go away from our folky and our trad stuff, and we'll mix it up a wee bit of Fleetwood Mac. Just checking what key this one's in.
Now there you go again, you say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep you down? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it. So listen carefully to the sound of your loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad. I keep my visions to myself. It's only me who wants to wrap around your dreams. And have you any dreams you'd like to send? Dreams of loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad. In the stillness of remembering what you had and what you lost and what you had.
Fleetwood Mac. Thank you, Dermot. Right, we'll go back to the Irish flavour. Back to a few tunes. Joe's going to tell us what these tunes are, where he first heard them, and who wrote them.
No, I'm not.
All right, Joe, will you play them at least?
I'll play them. Yeah.
No bother. All right, Joe's going to play a few tunes.
It's a march and a couple of readings.
Oh, apparently, Joe, Geraldine Reese says you're a genius.
I asked my sister to PayPal her 50 quid before this.
Good enough, man. That explains it. And your cousin said to put on a hat because it's blind on the screen. Do you pay him for that?
There's unreal.
All right, get Joe to do a few tunes. We'll start with the march and see where it goes from there. That's it. Starting to get back into it now. A couple more stretches.
I've never been as nervous for a gig.
All right. Just before you start having a good time, we'll kill it off again. We'll do a request, especially for Whitey O'Hara. We should have been with Whitey tonight, up celebrating his 50th birthday, but we couldn't be there under the circumstances. So we'll dedicate this song to him at least. Raglan Road. This is a late addition to the set. It's not even on our wee set list that you can't see behind the camera. On Raglan Road of an autumn day, I saw her first and knew that her dark hair would weave a snare that I may one day rue. And I saw danger, and I passed along the enchanted way, and I said, let grief be a falling leaf at the dawning of the day. On Grafton Street in November, we tripped lightly along the ledge of a deep ravine where can be seen the worth of passion's pledge. For that queen of hearts still making tarts, and I not making hay, for I love too much by such is happiness thrown away. On a quiet street where old ghosts meet, I see her walking down, away from me so hurriedly. My reason must allow that I have loved not as I should, a creature is made of clay, when the angel woos the clay, lose his wings at the dawn of day. Yes, on Raglan Road of an autumn day, I saw her first and knew. And her dark hair would be the snare that I may one day woo. And I saw the danger, and I passed along the enchanted way. And I said, let grief be a falling leaf at the dawning of the day. Hey, the Raglan Road. Thank you very much. All right, kick a bit of life back into it. How long do I just pour myself another cup of tea? What? Then we'll speed it up a wee bit. It's getting good use tonight. All right, kick a bit of life back in there, a bit of the Water Boys. Wish I was a fisherman coming on the sea, far away from dry land and the bitter memory, casting you my sweet line with abandonment and love. See them staring down at me, take the starry sky above, right in my head, you in my arms. I wish I was a brakeman in a heartland diesel train, crashing headlong into the heartland like a candle in the rain, with the beating of the sleepers and the burning of the coal. Towns are flashing by me in a night that's full of soul. Right in my head, you in my arms. No, I will be looser from the bonds that hold me fast. The chains all hung around me will fall away at last. And on that fine and faithful day, I will take thee in my arms. I will ride the night train, I'll be the fisherman, right in my head, you in my arms. Fisherman's Blues. All right, we change it up again. Get Niall back on the beat. Do a wee Bill Withers song.
song. Lovely day. Lovely. Not so bad. When I wake up in the morning, love, and the sunlight burns my eyes, well, something with that warning, love, bears heavy on my mind. Then I look at you, and the world's alright with me. Just won't look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day. A lovely day. When the day that lies ahead of me seems impossible to face, well, someone else instead of me always seems to know the way. Then I look at you, and the world's alright with me. Just won't look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day. When the day that lies ahead of me seems impossible to face, well, someone else instead of me always seems to know the way. Then I look at you, and the world's alright with me. Just won't look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day. A lovely day.
Lovely day. All right, we'll slow it down. We'll do our last wee slow one. Do it especially for Anya and Eamon. We sang this at their wedding. Do you remember those? Last summer. Not this summer past, the one before, obviously. Lovely wee song called Sweet 16. The most famous version by the Fury Brothers, but recorded by loads of ones since. when first I saw the love light in your eyes. Thought the world held naught but joy for me. And even though we've drifted far apart, I'll never dream but what I dream of thee. And I love you as I've never loved before, since first I saw you on that village green. Oh, come to me, my dreams of love is all. I love you as I loved you when you were sweet, when you were sweet, 16. Last night I dreamt I held you in my arms. Once again you were my happy bride, and I kissed you as I did on old Anxiety. To the church we wandered side by side, and I love you as I've never loved before, since first I saw you on that village green. You come to me, my dreams of love is all. I love you as I loved you when you were sweet, when you were sweet, 16, when you were sweet, when you were sweet, 16. Nice we fair brothers one. All right, kick a bit of life back into her. Get Joe going again with a set of tunes. Folks, it's our hours sort of flew in here with you. So we'll do the set of tunes and we'll maybe get another wee song in after that. And wish you all good night, God bless, and wish you all a very Merry Christmas. It's nice to see you through any platform these days, and hopefully in the new year we'll see a lot more of you. Meantime, get Joe going with a set of tunes. right, folks, we've right towards the end of a few requests coming in. Carla Cassidy's looking for Hugo Duncan's greatest hits. Unfortunately, Carla, just we're running out of time. Any other night, we wouldn't have considered it. Maybe next time. All right, we'll finish off, folks. It's been nice to be with you again. Hopefully, we'll see you all towards the spring. Starting to look hopeful. In the meantime, we'll finish away from the normal flavour. We'll move away from the Irish stuff and finish off with another wee Fleetwood Mac song.
Thanks to Dermot and everybody at Ancarn for having us as well.
That's a fair point now.
Yeah, you need to say thanks.
And folks, Ancora and all of Ancarn and the whole Carn Tour Association here, it's all community funded and group funded and donations. So there will be a link. I'm told that, is it up here or down there? It's up here. Is it up here for a normal person or just? Oh, hold on, but you are facing me. Am I supposed to be pointing that way? All right, okay. It's up there. You can probably see it, I can't. Anyway, please do, if you're willing, make a donation to them. At all times, it's very, very hard to keep a thing like this going, and such a brilliant system they have here and the whole complex. At the best times, that's really tough to do. During this time, it's particularly hard. The whole of the arts, never mind bands, are suffering. So if you can, please do make a donation to them, folks. It'd be very, very much appreciated. In the meantime, till we see you again, going to wish you all good evening, good night, God bless. Finish off with a bit of Fleetwood Mac.
Listen to the wind blow, watch the sun rise. Running in the shadows, damn your love, damn your lies.
And if you don't love me now, you will never love me again. I can't stand.
Listen to the wind blow, down comes the night. Running in the shadows, damn your love, damn your lies. Break the silence, damn the dark, damn the light.
Yeah. Folks, I want to wish you all good night. God bless. Thank you very much to Eugene and Lauren again. That was absolutely gorgeous before we started. Fair play to you.
Thank you.
Folks, to Dermy and Bruno, thank you very much. And everybody here at Ancora and the Karen Tour Association. From ourselves, Mothers Club, folks, I hope you all have a very, very Merry Christmas. Stay safe and a Happy New Year. Thank you very much.